What in the? You guys check this out.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of OSHA violations.
Hey guys, Washed Up Spencer here. Today we're going to show you how to make $1,200 in 2 hours. Our client's main concern today is the buildup on the siding of the house here. We have some bugs and gnats that needs to be washed off. We'll focus on that specifically today. Kids have some fun with some chalk and some dirt. We'll go ahead and get that washed down while we're here as well.
"2 hours," he says. "It'll be a quick morning," he says. Okay.
With equipment breakdowns and our little film mishaps getting started off at what, 9:15? It's not too bad. Close enough to 2 hours.
Film mishaps.
$1,200 in about 2 hours. About 2 hours. Now, I know we make it look easy with the right chemicals, the right equipment, the right training. It can be easy, but you can't just roll it off the street one day and decide you want to do this. So for that, we're putting together a program right now to get you from A to Z to figure out how you can come off the street and be your own boss. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.